This is definitely the craziest ad in the world. At first glance, you might think this scene was computer generated, but it is real. It is an ad filmed on location by Emirates Airlines. You can clearly see a flight attendant smiling as she changes the ad copy. In the background, a plane with Dubai Expo livery. The A380 flies by. The tower the flight attendant is on is the world's tallest building. The Burj Khalifa is 828 meters tall. It has a total of 162 floors. And the area where the flight attendant is standing is only 1.2 square meters. Most people would have shaky legs just going up there. So how was this ad actually filmed? The flight attendant is not an actual airline personnel. She is a stunt performer with skydiving skills. It took her 75 minutes to reach the top of the tower. The filming was done entirely by drones. The plane in the background was flying at low speed around the tower in advance. It circled the tower a total of 11 times. The stunt performer spent a total of 4 hours at the top of the tower. The final ad had the best effect. The total cost of this ad was not high, but it became a global sensation thanks to the courage of the creative team who filmed it on location. If it were you, would you dare to film this ad?